Yes, Lord, please protect me. Am I going out? Am I coming in on this wet road? Yes. It's a lovely day. It's a lovely, even though it's raining, it's a lovely. I'll just take my time and travel to work. Traveling in the rain to work, you know. When I was away, I saw people, you know. Oh boy, the back is not easy. I saw people, they motorbike traveling to the rain, but you know they had the raincoat. Yeah. So I make sure I got my raincoat, so when I come back home like now, I can use it, even though the rain is coming. People will ask, why did you use your bike and it's raining? But actually, I like the bike. You know, it's something you can just jump on and jump off. You have easy parking. You just have to drive. You just have to drive in the traffic. Good. Yeah, do not drive reckless like some of the other drivers does. Yeah. Bushes need moving over the roads because when the sunlight cannot penetrate to dry the water, the road get moss. I know when moss come on the road, it gets slippery. I don't know the other word for moss, but it's, guys, you know what I mean. I cannot find the right term so that, you know, people will understand what I'm saying about the mask on the road. But it became slippery then because of the lack of sunlight. Yeah. I want to experience the rain strong. See what I will do, see my reaction if the rain was to come strong. Maybe I have to pull aside. When I take the corners, I have to go around slowly, go around the corners in slow motion. Yeah. Inside the building like myself, don't get lazy because, you know, it's like the weather make us lazy or mood change. Just relax. Yeah, if they're there on the computer, oh boy, look at the weather outside. I should just be home sleeping. Slowly round the corner. just even comment how do you feel when the rain is coming? Do you feel like staying in the house all day, not walking? You know what I mean? Shout out if you want to shout out. Right now we are in St. Vincent and Grenadines, and you can call in right now and tell me if the rain is affecting your area, if it's heavy. Because right about now here the rain is not so heavy, but it is just drizzling constantly from since around after 5 o'clock. Yeah. So call us now, hit us up at send info and say, you know, are you going to walk today? Are you going to stay home? Will you be late at work today because of the rain? Call us up now, call us up right now, guys. If you are from the Philippines, from America, from the Caribbean, call us up wherever you are watching me now, wherever you're listening to me now, guys. Just call us up and leave a comment, pick up somebody. Yeah. I'll take the main road today. Yeah, I will just relax today. Normally I go through the shortcut. Yeah, so once again, it's a rainy day in St. Vincent and Grenadines. We're expecting completely overcast for the entire day. And the weather said it is 90% chances of rain today. So people remember to walk with the umbrella, walk with the raincoat. And if you're driving your motorbike like myself, take it easy on the road. Even for you motorists, take it easy on the road as well. And the seawater is looking quite a little bit different today. You know, we have a tropical disturbance up in the northern part of the Caribbean. I hope, pray that there will be no problem. Not deal with it strongly. Yeah. I know that Vincent Shanty will be on high alert for this hurricane season because we normally said that the hurricane will shift. It will not affect us. It will shift, and it did shift for the past years, but they say it did not shift. It hit us and it mashed up us. Yeah, and it leaves us in a state of preparedness whenever we hear that storm is coming. We'll all be right about now. I'm just doing a pass through Kingston today. Not Kingston, Kingston, not Stan. You know, people get mixed up sometimes when they hear about Kingston. They think it's Jamaica, but this is not Stan. Jamaica is Kingston. Was known as Strong, yeah. St. Vincent and Grenadines. I heard of some story that packages were emailed to St. Vincent, but instead it went to Jamaica. Yeah, because they think it's Kingston. Because, you know, Jamaica is more recognized. So when they see Kingston, they probably just watch it and they see King. They'll say, oh, they'll be like, oh, Kingston. They didn't watch the ending of the word come. They just see King and the S and the T and the O. Oh, that's Kingston. Let's say it's Jamaica. They realize we have to be called to Jamaica to find out where is our package or call the company. I know the entire town right now is in sleeping mood for now. It is a sleeping mood. Today's Tuesday. Normally it's on a Friday. Okay, so we already clear with vehicle parking. But it's Tuesday, the beginning of the week as well, so it's still early. The driver told me something. Oh. So the driver told me my back is open. Okay, nice, thank you. Oh, it's open and I thought I closed it. And nobody else didn't. All my time coming down, maybe just open in town. I don't too sure. Yep. get a battery, but the battery is so expensive. Imagine a scooter battery. My scooter battery is much more expensive than my car battery. Can you believe that? And it is very cheap. It's very cheap online now. So I have to order one. I'm just gonna show you guys the seawater front today. It wasn't like this because of this storm in the part of the Caribbean today. It is very choppy. We call it say choppy. It's choppy today. So boat coming from the Grenadines, boat going down to the Grenadines today will have a rough ride. Yeah. We surely have a rough ride today. Wow. It's our port. Oh, look at the ships there. Wow. You know, this is what I like to see. I like to see this type of weather where the seawater is rough. Yeah. But not to cause trouble. You know, if it was more rough, those boats up there had to move out. If it was surging more at the coastline, like some of them all up in the air, yeah. So I'm coming you live from Simpson and Grenadines, and this is our weather condition today. It is very overcast for the entire day. The rain is coming moderate, not too strong, but it's keep on coming non-stop. Yeah, and now I'm heading off to a different location. Woo woo woo! That is the Prime Minister building. That big building you see in the Prime Minister building. Yeah. Some harsh job in this world that requires you to work hard and pay less. This is something I saw that people are doing certain job for €2 or €2. Well, that is in the like most of the Asian countries, African countries. I'm seeing that on YouTube where people have to work so hard and owning little amount. Wow. So we here have to be thankful, you know, in every situation, be thankful. Yeah, so back onto the weather, the rain is still about not so hard, not so heavy, as you can see on the camera. Right now it is clean-up time, road cleaning, you know, back to school soon. So yes guys, if you from Dominica, Martinique, Nevis, St. Kitts, those Caribbean islands, some guys calling, say something. How is the weather treating you guys up there? How is the weather? Is it rough? Is it calm? Is it raining heavy? Leave a comment guys, or call me. Just say woo woo woo. Now I'm enjoying the lovely boat ride. I mean bike ride. I know you guys saw this part of the road already, traveling from Tong into the Leeward side. But you know, it's always sunny, so I'm giving you a rainy drive through. Yeah. And the next video I will give you one heavy as well. A heavy drive through on my scooter. I did one of my vehicle, but I need to experience it on the motorbike. Heavy. See if I can manage it, or if I have to pull aside.